Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today we'll teach you how to fix icons not showing on your taskbar in Windows 10. In case you see the taskbar icon but some or all of the icons are missing, first you need to right-click the Start button and then find and click Task Manager. Once you are on the Task Manager window, find and select the Windows Explorer folder. Then click Restart. That's it. Another method to fix icons not showing on taskbar is by clicking Start button and going to Settings. Find and select Personalization, then click Taskbar located on the left. Under Notification area, click Select which icons appear on the taskbar. A new window will open. In here, you have the option to choose which icon you want to appear on the taskbar, such as Volume, Network, Power, and many more. Another option is to go to Run. On the Run command, enter %app data %, then click the OK button. A new window will appear. Then click App Data, this one. Then click Local. And then click View. Next, click Hidden Items or go to Options, then click this one, Change Folder and Change Option. A new window will open, select View tab and select Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Then click Apply and select OK button. You'll be able to find the icon cache right here. Right-click and then select Delete. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful one way or another. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.